Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Critical Reading Class. This video was made by e-learning English team. This team consists of Mrs. Untari Gunta Pertiwi, myself the narrator of this lesson, Sutyadi Rahman Shah, and Miss Effie Aziza Febrianti. We are all from Faculty of Arts and Design. Today, I will discuss about unity and coherence. The first thing that you have to understand is about unity and coherence. Unity means oneness, or it means that a paragraph must deal with only one idea. Meanwhile, coherence means a sticking together. A coherent paragraph has all the sentences so well arranged that not one could be interchanged with another. We will discuss further about coherence. A paragraph should be coherent. We say that the paragraph is coherent when all of its supporting details are well organized and fluid. Fluid means that when one idea connects clearly and or moves smoothly to the next idea. Here is a sample of a paragraph from a business letter which does not have unity and coherence. You can pause your video to understand it. It can be seen that the topic sentence in this paragraph and its supporting sentences are not related to each other. So, it can be said that this paragraph is incoherence, or it does not have any unity or coherence. Now, we will see the sample of a paragraph that has unity and coherence. You can pause the video to examine the structure. We can see that the topic sentence here is supported by supporting sentences or details. See how all sentences work together to support the point about the paragraph topic, which is we are the best company to hire. So it is clear that in this paragraph does have unity and coherence. To make a paragraph becomes fluid, we can also use transitions. Transitions are words, groups of words, or sentences that connect one sentence to another or one paragraph to another. Adding transitions is called as cohesion. Creating cohesion means tying our words, phrases, sentences, and paragraphs together to create relationships and fluidity to the text. There are different types of transitions. Sometimes it is called conjunctions or words that join two or more ideas. Here are some examples of transitions that you can put into your paragraph. You can pause the video to see it clearly. There are transitions related to space, examples, comparison, consequence, joint relation, cause-effect relations, similarities, differences, and time relation. These are just a few examples. The idea is to paint a clear logical connection between sentences in a paragraph. Here is the sample how transitions can help to make a paragraph becomes fluid. You can pause the video to see it clearly. We can see that transitions, such as not only, years ago, and nowadays, have made the paragraph readable and made it flowing logically from one sentence to another. You have to make sure that each part of supporting sentence or details must support the topic sentence. This is how we use transitions in a paragraph. That's all my explanation for today. Thank you for your participation. Bye.